Feeling restless in your current data analyst role? Ready to unleash your skills in an exciting new industry? Well, you're in the right place because today we're breaking down the step-by-step process for making a successful pivot. The great thing is, as a data analyst, your core skills are highly transferable across all kinds of fields. Your ability to collect, analyze, and interpret data? Gold. Your talent for translating complex insights into clear communication? Priceless. These capabilities are valuable assets no matter the industry. But simply having transferable skills isn't enough. You need a strategic game plan to actually make the leap. Here's what you'll want to do. Number 1, research. Identify 2 to 3 industries that genuinely excite you. Dig into the key data challenges they face and start thinking about how your skills could provide solutions. Subscribe to industry newsletters, read reports, and connect with folks on LinkedIn to rapidly build your knowledge. Number 2, retool your resume and portfolio. Comb through past projects and highlight any relevant to your target industries, even if it wasn't the primary focus at the time. Don't be afraid to reframe the work to make the industry connections more obvious. Update your resume summary to align with the new direction. Number 3, build domain expertise. Take online courses, earn certifications, and do case studies, anything to demonstrate your ability to apply data skills to specific industry context. This commitment to learning will be very appealing to potential employers. Number 4, network like crazy. Attend industry meetups and conferences, both in person and virtual. Join relevant professional associations. Connect with people doing your target job on LinkedIn and ask for informational interviews. Developing relationships is key for discovering unadvertised opportunities. Number 5, get creative with side projects. A great way to gain hands-on experience is taking on freelance consulting projects or developing case studies using public data sets from your target industry. Build a portfolio tailored to your new aspirations. The path to an industry pivot can definitely take hard work, but it's absolutely achievable by applying yourself strategically. So drop a comment with the new field you want to break into. I would love to hear your game plan for making it happen. Don't forget to subscribe for more career adventuring tips.